In 2020, the world shut down. It was very difficult to get a dental appointment. So I started experimenting with ways to clean my teeth at home. I tried to do the best that I could with what I had. Hi, welcome to 10-Minute Tasks. I'm your host, Tatiana. In this video, I'm going to show you 5 techniques to brushing your teeth. And then I'm going to wash my hands really well. Okay, there's the teeth. This is the before. So first thing I do is I floss my teeth. And I'm going to start by scaling the bottom here. Thanks so much for watching this video. These are my clean teeth. So let me give you a close-up.
If you liked this video, be sure to subscribe. My next video will be about how I whiten my teeth.